Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you guys how to replace the back glass cover on your Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. So let's get right into it. Maybe you broke your back glass cover, or you want to be able to get into your phone to replace something else. So first thing we want to do is power the phone off completely. Once your phone is powered off, we're going to want to remove your SIM card as well. So eject the SIM card tray. Next, we're going to need to give it heat here on the back cover, either with a heat gun like this or a hair dryer. Move it around the edges. Don't keep it in the same place because it could burn the insides of the phone. You can also place it on a hot plate, which is what I prefer to use, like I'm going to show you here. I set it to about 110 degrees Celsius and leave it on there for about 2 minutes. So once you feel it's hot enough, we're going to go ahead and get a suction cup. We're going to also use a small Phillips head screwdriver, a prying tool, and a plastic prying tool. Another plastic prying tool here, or you can also use a business card in case you don't have a prying tool. You can fold it in half to make it more solid. So next up, once it's hot enough, get the suction cup. You may want to use some gloves. I don't have any gloves at the moment, so I'm going to be using this to kind of hold the phone in place so I don't burn myself. And we're going to place the suction cup towards the bottom of the phone, towards the charger port. And here we're going to give it some upward pressure here until we see a slight opening. Once you see the opening, go ahead and place the prying tool inside. Remember, it's best to use a plastic prying tool so that you don't damage anything inside the phone. So there we go, the prying tool is in there. Once it's in there, you can move it around slightly from side to side to remove the adhesive holding the back cover in place. Once the prying tool is in there completely, you can go ahead and remove the suction cup. I'm going to go ahead and use another plastic prying tool here as well to pry around the other side. So we're going to go down both sides with the prying tools. We're going to go down the right side here gently and slowly. If the back cover cools down, you may want to give it some more heat to soften the adhesive some more. So continue to go down all the way. I'm going to place the business card here for extra support here at the top, and I'm going to go down the left side here with the other prying tool. So continue to go down until you completely go down on both sides. So as you can see here, the reason you want to bend your business card in half like this is because it's going to be a more sturdier prying tool, more solid if you bend it in half, and you can pry better on the phone. So there we go, almost down completely both sides. I'm going to give it a little bit more pressure here down towards the bottom. Don't pull up on it too hard so that you don't break the back glass. Although if yours is already broken, this may not matter to you. And also remember, we got to be careful down here towards the bottom because we're going to have the flex cable for the fingerprint scanner. So just go around the sides. Don't push the prying tool inside too much so that you don't cut that cable. There we go. Once you have both sides completely removed, you can go ahead and wiggle it around a little bit to release the rest of the adhesive. There we go, just a little bit there left, and it's off. So as you can see, here we have the flex cable. We're going to go ahead and remove a small Phillips head screw that's holding it down. So once you remove that, it's going to have a small bracket there, which we're going to pry up with the prying tool. There we go. And then now we're going to go ahead and disconnect the flex cable with the plastic prying tool. And it is off completely. So there we go. There we have the back cover off completely. Once you're ready to reinstall the new back cover or the same one, go ahead and connect the flex cable first. And then we're going to go ahead and place the bracket back on. We're going to place the small Phillips head screw back on. And make sure that the back cover has either the same adhesive, or if it's a new back cover, make sure it has a new adhesive on there so that when we position it now and place it on the back, it will stick onto there completely. So go ahead and give it pressure on all sides and you should be done. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.